So in the early 90s to early 2000s, my grandparents had an amber jewelry workshop at the back of their house where they sold amber jewelry, obviously to people, and people traveled all the way from Japan just to buy the jewelry. And now that they don't have the store anymore, 20 years later, my granddad decided that I should get all the machines from the 90s and try to make my own amber jewelry.
So that's mostly what we're gonna play with today. Maybe I should showcase a little bit more other than just this one polishing machine. So let's go through everything real quick. I haven't tried it much. I have tried a little bit, but I think we're gonna make a bracelet, hopefully. But yes, let's do this. So of course we got the polishing machine where we'll use some wax on that to polish. We got this other polishing machine for like cleaning off the wax when it's polished to get the excess wax off. And I got a lot of amber. I got these round bits that I'm gonna use for the bracelet that I collected in this little vial a few days ago. And we got all this amber. There is some raw amber and some with holes in them, and some that's already been processed and polished and stuff like that. And we just got a lot of small things, strings, jewelry stuff, small silver rings, balls, locks, earrings stuff. And I've got a drill with a small drill bit, new drill bits, a lot of drill bits, and some other stuff, another drill, stuff like that. This is a piece of amber that I polished a couple of days ago, just for trying. Looks pretty nice. But yeah, got this one, and of course a little something to hold on to the amber when you drill it. And a lamp. Nice. So before starting to make the bracelet that I wanted to do, I was thinking maybe I would take this piece of amber, which haven't been polished. There's a hole through it, but it hasn't been polished. Can you see it? And I wanted to polish it real quick. Try to polish it so you can see what difference it makes. Yep, let's try that. From that small amount of work, you can see the polished bit compared to the non-polished bit, how much cleaner that it looks. If you could get it to focus, please. So yeah, that's what it looks like when you polish some amber, depending on the color of the amber, of course. If it's darker piece of amber, you probably couldn't see through it. As you can see, compared to the big piece of amber, I think this is what you call milk amber, and it's not see-through. Yes. So basically, since these small beads are too small for the clamp to hold them, I'm just gonna use this little pincher thing to hold them down to the table, and hopefully don't drill into the table too much. And of course I'm gonna use the drill, which is just a little turn button drill. And I'm using the smallest drill bit that I got, which is 1.1 millimeter. And hopefully we won't ruin too many of the beads. And since it's not like crystal, it's amber, which is much softer than crystal and gemstones, we won't have to apply water all the time. God damn it. Almost 5 minutes for one bead. This is gonna be a process. I also need a new battery. I see you in like 6 hours. So I drilled through all the beads, and it's a really easy process, to be honest. It only took like 2 hours. Yes. And I'm gonna put all of them on a wax cord, and I made my own rule. So instead of measure it, you can just use enough. I took like 3/4 of Simon head. So if you want to use that for a measurement, you can. But now we're just gonna put all the beads on the wax cord, and it's a 1 millimeter wax cord. So let's get started. Very nice. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Look at this. It's my new amber beads for the butt. Nope. It's a bracelet. Look at this. Look at this. Tell me that's not freaking... Oh. Tell me that's not freaking awesome. The last thing we just have to do is tie it. You can make like a double, like a sliding nut that I have on my necklace, but I think I'm just gonna do a single one, which is also pretty easy and anyone can do.
Then I'm going to hold it with my left index finger running parallel with this cord underneath.
Okay. First of all, I didn't make the one knot tying thing. I made a double one, like the one on my necklace, because I could figure out how to do that. And the waxed cord, it's alright, but there's too much wax, so it's really hard to make the nuts good, like to slide them forth and back, which is really hard because of all the wax. It's too much wax, and it also makes the process of like finding the right size for the cord is also really hard, but right now I think it's a little bit too loose, so I need another string. But I mean, look at that. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like it. For the first jewelry that I have ever made, this is really nice. I like it. And if you like it, give a like. See you in the next one.